What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, man, I'd like to formally welcome you, man. Hit that subscribe button, join that frequent Flyers Club, drop a like, and definitely drop a comment if you like the content. I got my IG name right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, for this video, as you can see by the title, man, I'm going to give you guys the first 3 shoes that really started me into sneakers, man. Now, these date back to my high school days when I really started getting on sneakers, man. I always wanted them, but my parents wouldn't really buy them all the time, man. Being the youngest of 5 boys, shoes just weren't really a high priority, just growing up. But once I got my own job, man, I didn't have anything to spend my money on, so that's when the shoe addiction really started. But let's get right into that first shoe, man. Now, for the first shoe that really got me into like collecting and really caring about my sneakers was actually 2 pair, man. Here we have the Jordan 1 High Celtic from the DMP pack from '09, man. Crazy story about these, man. I'm going into my sophomore year. These came out like in the summer right before the school year started. And we were walking around the Redbird Mall. If anyone's from Dallas or been to Dallas, you know about Redbird Mall. I was walking around Redbird Mall, and if anybody knows about Foot Locker and Foot Action, the employees get like their 50% off a couple of times a year. My brother ran into one of his homegirls that didn't really care about shoes. She was just literally worked at Foot Locker to have a job, man. And I was able to get these and the DMP braids that came together in a pack for I think they were $225 retail. I got them for 50% off, and I gave her a $20 tip, man. So I paid about $150 for 2 pair of Jordan 1s, man, which is unheard of, man. Even the retail price now on Jordan 1s is $170 alone, man. So hopefully we can get a retro of these soon, man, with the whole pack, with the DMPs, with the braids as well. I still have the box. This is definitely one of my favorite shoe boxes, man. I still use it to this day. Just keep my little cards and things like that, little collectibles and stuff in here, man. This is just my favorite shoe box, man. With the double shoes, has the hardwood floor all the way around, man, with the green stripes on it. I love it, man. Still use this box to this day. But that's the first shoe, man. This one really got it popping for me in 2009 when these dropped, man. Remember wearing them on the first day of school, and one of my homeboys, Taylor Townsend, man, one of the first guys I was really like into shoes like that. Maybe it was the second day of school. We both showed up with the DMP braids on, man. I just one memory that I always remember about these shoes, man. Super heat, super fire, man. One of my favorite releases of all time, man. If they ever retro them as a pack, definitely gonna grab them. I know they're supposed to be re-releasing this pair, kind of, but it's gonna be with a white tongue instead. Man, I may cop them, but it's nothing like the original from the pack, man. Nothing like it. Shoe number 1, the Air Jordan 1s from the DMP pack from '09, man. Now, moving on to the next shoe that really got me into collecting and really caring about my shoes, man. I have the 2011 True Blue Jordan 3s, man. As you can see, man, these took a whole lot of wear. Midsoles are cracking on them, but who cares, man? This is one of my favorite pair of shoes, man. I have the 2016 pair, I believe, as well. But this 2011 pair is one for the books, man. I graduated high school in 2011. This pair came out maybe a couple of months or the month before I graduated. I grabbed these and I wore these that whole summer, man. I had multiple red, white, and blue shirts, man, so I can rock with my 3s, man. This is one of my favorite pair of shoes. 3s are my favorite pair. The True Blues hold a special place in my heart, man, as always. But like I said, these are really beat up, man. I have the 2016 pair, but this 2011 pair holds weight in my shoe collection, man. That's why I have it on display, just to show my affection for this shoe, man. A lot of people would throw their beaters in the trash, but I love these, man. I'm thinking about going ahead and getting them restored, just so I can have them looking very nice again, man. Have them looking crispy. I still may not wear them, but I may go ahead and get them deep cleaned and just get them repainted, man. So 2011, man, we got the True Blue 3s from our high school graduation year. These are my babies, man. This is number 2 on the list. that got me into collecting sneakers, man. Number 2, True Blue 3s. Now last and definitely not least on this list of shoes that really got me into collecting and really caring about my sneakers, the 2011 Metallic 5, man. Now I literally remember grabbing this shoe. This is the first shoe I ever bought when I moved to Houston, man. I came out to TSU as a freshman, man. My brother was already at U of H, and a couple of my big bros at U of H with him as well. And one of my big bros, Quincy, had a connect at what used to be the Athlete's Foot right here on Old Spanish Trail, man. And I remember these releasing. Quincy said he didn't want them, but he still told his homegirl to hold the shoe for me. We literally were leaving one party. We stopped there on the way to the next party. I grabbed these and went on to another party, man. So this is a shoe that I would never, ever, ever forget, man. This is like my favorite. This is hands down my favorite Jordan 5. I need to go ahead and grab that 2016 pair, man. I've been slacking on those. I had a size 11 and up, but they fit kind of tight. Got to find my 11 and a half in these, man, with the Nike Air on the back. But this 2011 pair holds so much value in my heart, man. I still wear them every now and then to this day. This is like the one shoe that can be beat up, but it'll still look good regardless, man. No matter how bad they look. You can see like some of the suede is cracking on here. This shoe just took a beating, man. It's one of my favorite shoes. I wore these the first day. I wore these shoes on my first day of college classes, man. We moved out to TSU the week before school opened. They had their freshman week of their activities. These came in on a Friday while we was out partying, man. I was partying with my brothers. We went and stopped, grabbed these. I wore them on Monday, man. I'll never forget this Metallic 5, man. That's why I'm so strong on this off-white Metallic 5 being the shoe of the year, man. They just remind me so much of each other, of course. With just the metallic look, man. Virgil really did his thing on these, man. I'm happy to have these, but I still need a pair of the 2016 joints, man. Let me know if you guys like 5s, 1s, or 3s, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this list. These are the shoes that really got me into it, man. They really got me into it. If you haven't noticed already, these are the shoes that I have on display on top, man. I would never sell these. Even though I don't wear them like that, they still won't be sold. Metallic 5s, man, 2011, my favorite pair of 5s, period, man. So it's only right that I went ahead and grabbed the Virgil pair. I was paying whatever I had to for these, for the simple fact that it brings up the nostalgia from this shoe right here, man, with the 23. This one has a Nike Air in the back. I'm gonna have to grab the 2016 pair of these, the Nike Air, but that's exactly why, man. This shoe is the reason why I like this shoe, man. Virgil recreated it, man, but it still brings back that 2011 feeling for me. Got these. This is when they were still releasing shoes at midnight, man. Literally, we left one party, stopped by there on the way to the next party, man. Boom, man. Wore these on a Monday. First day of school at Texas Southern University. Literally, wore these my first day of school. So y'all drop a comment down below, man, if y'all like the Metallic 5s, you like the True Blue 3s. Do you like the Celtic ones from the DMP pack, man? Y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know how y'all feeling. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Celtic ones and the bread ones from the DMP pack. Got the True Blue 3s from 2011. And we have the Metallic 5s from 2011, man. These 3 shoes really shaped my shoe collection, man. These are my favorite 3 models. 1s, 3s, and 5s. I'll throw 12s in there as well. But 1s, 3s, and 5s are like my favorite models. And as you can see, man, these are the shoes that really got me into it. Bunch of wear and tear on these joints, man, and this is just it, man. This is what got me into sneakers, man. These 1s, these 3s, and these 5s, man. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what shoes got you into the game. Let me know your first sneaker memory. Let me know the shoe that really made you like, dang, let me go home and clean these. I don't want to mess these up, man. Let's take it back down memory lane, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling. Give me you guys' first shoes, man, your second shoes. Give me you guys' history or what really got you in love with this sneaker game, man. That just about wraps it up for this video, man. Hope you guys learned something about me. Leave something down below so I can learn something about you guys, man. Till next time on the next video, got the old beaters in here, man. Peace.